back to my channel. So we're gonna do another unboxing for this video. I've got this Samsung Portable SSD T7 from my iPhone. So let me just quickly show you the box. So this Samsung Portable SSD T7 is compatible to Windows, Mac, Android, and for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I got the 500 gigabytes, so let's just quickly do the unboxing for this. Right, so in the box, the unit itself, it's very little. See? It's very little. And it's already USB-C for the port. It's very thin as well. And look at the size. It's even smaller than my palm. And then what else is in the box? Obviously the quick start guide, and as well as the warranty statements. They're all in here. By the way, the warranty for this one is a 3-year limited warranty. So we also got the USB-C to USB-C cable. That's one there. And we also have the USB-C to A cable as well. So you've got 2 cables included in your hard drive. So the reason why I got this SSD is that if I would record videos, high resolution videos, I could immediately save it to the SSD rather than saving it onto my phone. So this is a really good buy, especially if you keep recording videos and doing a lot of stuff on your phone, because you could easily save it on this. So let us try this one. Right, so let's set this one up onto my phone. So I have here the USB-C to USB-C cable, which is again already included in the box. This supports USB 3.2 Gen 2. So this determines how fast and how quick your files will gonna be transferred on your SSD. So this also has got a performance of up to 1050 MB read speed and 1000 MBs write speed, supported by again USB 3.2 Gen 2. So to connect it, so this is, I'm using the iPhone 15 Pro Max, by the way. So just click on that one. Sorry, not click. Connect onto the USB-C port and then onto your SSD. And then see that blue light there, it will lit up to show that the connection. Now let's try and record a video. So go to your camera, click on your video, and then press this at the left top corner, press the ProRes, so that if you record a high resolution video, you could save it directly into your SSD. So it would show there the maximum time. It says 144 minutes, which means that's the maximum amount of time that you could record a video and to save it directly on your SSD. And at the bottom also, it shows USB-C, which means your phone is connected to the SSD. So let's try to record a video. So just a few seconds will do, just to, show you where it is. So that's it. Now let us find it where it is. You won't be able to find it onto your photo gallery or in your album anywhere, because again, as I've said, it will be directly saved into your SSD. To find that, so press into your go into your files, and then under the locations drop box, press T7, and then that folder there that says TCIM, click on that. And then click that other folder there, and there's your video. So that's the reason why I got this portable SSD T7 from Samsung, because if I would like to record high resolution videos, it directly saves into the SSD. It is no longer saved on my phone. So, and it's very handy to bring as well because it's very lightweight and it's very little as well, because look at the thickness of it. It's very thin and it's small and it's kind of like lightweight, as I've said. So just when you take it out, just pull it out from the port. That's it, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. You don't need to like download or anything like that. It will just directly and automatically detects or be detected on your phone. Anyways, that's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.